Very good morning, students. We will continue our topic, that is rational number, exercise 1.2. So the very first question is, represent these numbers on the number line. Now the first question is 7 upon 4, and second question is minus 5 upon 6. Now what is number line? So students, in the number line we have 0 in the middle, and on the right hand side we have positive integers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And on the negative side we have negative integers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and so on. Now for 7 upon 4 we can write it as, if I divide 7 by 4, that will be 4 ones are 4, I get 3 as remainder, and I put a decimal, increase the number, now it will be 1.7. 4 7s are 28, I get 2 as a remainder. So for 7 upon 4 I can write it as 1.7. So now on the number line, if we see 1.7, that will lie down between 1 and 2. Now if I have to show this in the number line, this will remain between 1 and 2. Now we can see that for 1 we can write 1 as 4 by 4 and 2 as 8 by 4. Now the remaining number which lie down between these two numbers will be 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 and 8 by 4. So we have to show 7 by 4, so that will be marked here, 7 by 4, which is equals to 1.7. Now the next number is minus 5 upon 6. So as we can see that the number is in negative, so this will lie down on the left hand side of the number line. First we will solve the number, that will be question number second, minus 5 upon 6, it will be 6, 5 divided by 6, that will be 0.68 48. So I will get 2 as remainder. So minus 5 upon 6 will be minus 0.8. Now on the number line, this will remain between 0 and minus 1. So as we can see, for because it is minus 5 by 6, for minus 1 I can write it as, minus 6 upon 6 . So now here I can write it minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6 and minus 1 upon 6. And that is remain between 0 and minus 1. So I have to mark minus 5 upon 6, which will be lie down here, minus 5 upon 6. So that is how we mark the numbers on the number line. First we have to check the denominator, and we have to see in which number that number can be converted. Like minus 6 upon 6 can be written as minus 1. So we will take the rationals of rational between two numbers as minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, that are the rationals between 0 and minus 1. Now the next question is, question number second. Show these numbers on the number line. Minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11 and minus 9 upon 11. So as we can see that these all numbers are in negative, these all are negative integers. So this will lie down on the left hand side of the number line. Now for 11, minus 2 upon 11, I can write it as, this will be 11 and inside that is 2, so I will take 0.0 here, that will be 11 ones are 11 and I will get some remainder, that is 10 that is 9. So I can see that minus 2 upon 11 is 0.1, so we can see that it will be minus 2 upon 11 will be minus 0.1. So that will remain between 0 and minus 1. Now for minus 1, I can write it as minus 11 upon 11. So I will decrease the number on the right hand side, like here I can write it minus 10 upon 11. The next number will be minus 9 upon 11. Next to this is minus 8 upon 11. Minus 7 upon 11. Minus 6 upon 11. Minus 5 upon 11. So these all numbers are lying down between minus 1 and 0. Next is minus 4 upon 11. Minus 3 upon 11. Minus 2 upon 11 and minus 1 upon 11. So we have to mark minus 2 upon 11, that will come here. Minus 5 upon 11, that will be marked here, and minus 9 upon 11, that will be marked here. So we will again write minus 1 as minus 11 upon 11, and then we decrease the order of the number, so we get these numbers on the number line. Now the next question is question number 3. Write 5 smaller number than 2. Now we can see that for 2 we can write it as 4 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So for 2 we can write it as 4 by 2. So all the rational number which is in decreasing order from 4 by 2, that is 3 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. These all numbers are smaller than 4 by 2, that is 2. So we had to write down 5 smaller numbers than 2. So now the number will be 3 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. Like we can check them. 3 by 4 will be it will be 0.7, which is smaller than 2. For 2 by 4 that will be 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, it is 1 by 2, which is also smaller than 2. So that is how we will write down all the smaller numbers than 2. Now moving to the next question. Question number 4. Write 5 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Now, as we saw in the previous questions, that to get the ratios between two numbers, the denominator should be same of those two numbers. Like we had 4 upon 4 and -2 upon 4. So the rational numbers between these numbers, the denominator should be same of all the numbers. Now for -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2, we will make the denominator same of these two numbers. So we will convert the denominator in a same number. So here we will multiply by 2. That the number will be -4 upon 10. And here we will multiply the number with 5, so that we can get the denominator as 10. That will be 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Now as we can see that -4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, the numbers lie down between these numbers will be 4 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 1 upon 10, -1 upon 10, and so on. So we had to write down 5 rational numbers between these numbers. So first we will make the denominators same, and then we will find the numbers lie down between these numbers. So that is 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10, 1 by 10 and -1 by 10. Now the next question is, question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now again, to write down the rationals between these two numbers, we have to make their denominator same. So we can multiply the denominator with 5. That will be 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. And for 4 by 5, we will multiply it with 3. That is 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So after getting the denominator same, we can see that between 10 upon 5, between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, there is only one number between them, that is 11 upon 15. So in that case we can increase the denominator of the number. That will be, if we have a number 10 upon 15, we can increase this by 2. So we will get the number 10 to the 20 and 15 to the 30, and we will increase it here. That will be 12 to the 24 and 15 to the 30. Now if we see that between 20 upon 30 and 24 upon 30, there are only 3 numbers which lie down between these two numbers, but we need 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So we will increase it. Instead of 2, we will increase the number by 3. So that will be 45 in the denominator and 30 in the numerator. Here it will be 36 in the numerator and 45 in the denominator. Now by increasing the numbers by 3, we can see that we are finding more rational numbers between these numbers. Like between 30 and 36, there will be 5 numbers that will be 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45, 35 upon 45. So we need 5 rational numbers between 30 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. So we will get the numbers in this by increase the denominator with 3, by multiplying the denominator with 3. So again, so now we have to find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So we'll make the denominator of these two numbers same. Like for 1 upon 4, we will multiply it with 2. So we get the number 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8. And for 1 by 2, we will multiply it with 4. That will be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So after getting the denominator same, we can see that between 2 upon 8 and 4 upon 8, there is only one rational number, that is 3 upon 8. So we will increase the denominator so that we can get more rational numbers between these two numbers. Like if I multiply 2 by 8 with 3 and 4 by 8 with 3, I get 6 upon 24, and here I get 12 upon 24. Now we can see that between 6 upon 24 and 12 upon 24, we have 6 rational numbers, that are 7 upon 24, 8 upon 24, 9 upon 24, 10 upon 24, 11 upon 24 and 12 upon 24. So we get 5 rational numbers between 6 upon 24 and 12 upon 24. So by increasing the denominator, we can find more and more rational numbers between the two numbers. Now question number 6 is, write 5 rational number greater than minus 2. Now we can see that the numbers which are greater than minus 2 is minus 1, because on the right hand side of the number line the number increases, so that will be minus 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5. So these are the these are the numbers which are greater than minus 2. Now we can see that for minus 2 we can write it as minus 4 upon 2. So for so the number which is smaller than minus 4 upon 2, they will be minus 3 upon 2, minus 1 upon 1, that will be plus 1 upon, minus 1 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 3 upon 2, minus 2 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, plus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. So these all numbers are greater than minus 2. As we can solve this will be 1.5. So the number will be minus 1.5, which is greater than minus 2. Here we can see that is minus 1. For minus 1 upon 2 the number is 0.5, that is minus 0.5, greater than minus 2. For 1 by 2 it will be 0.5 plus 0.5. For 2 upon 2 it will be 1, and for 3 upon 2 it will be 1.5. So these all numbers are greater than minus 2. So that is how we will find all the numbers greater than minus 2. Now the next question is, find 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Now for finding the rationals between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4, again we have to make the denominator same. So we will multiply it 3 by 5 with 4, that will be 12 upon 20. And for 3 upon 4 we will multiply it with 5, that will be 15 upon 20. So we can see that there are only 3 rational numbers between 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20, that is 13 upon 20, 14 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. So again we have to increase the denominator by 3. That will be 36 upon 60 and 45 upon 60. So we can see that we are getting almost many rational numbers between 36 upon 60, that are 36 upon 60, 37 upon 60, 38 upon 60, 39 upon 60, 40 upon 60, 41 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 43 upon 60, 44 upon 60, and this is 45 upon 60. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are getting 8 rational numbers between between 36 upon 60 and 45 upon 60. So we are not getting enough rational numbers between them. So we will increase the denominator more. So we will multiply it with 4. As more numbers we need to find out, we will increase the denominator with more natural numbers. That will be 48 upon 80 and 60 upon 80. So the rationals between 48 upon 60 and 60 upon 80 will be 49 upon 60, 50 upon 60, 51 upon 60, 52 upon 60, 53 upon 60, 54 upon 60, 55 upon 60, and we have 5 more numbers here. So we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 5, 12 rational numbers. So we can see by increasing the denominator more and more, we are getting more rational numbers between two rational numbers. So that is how we will solve our question. So that is all for now, students. Now you have to practice these questions at your home and stay safe in this period of lockdown, and practice your study, because the schools are not running these days. So you should not leave your study and practice it. Okay, that is all for now. Stay safe. Goodbye.